Today we're going to go through an activity that we designed for you, which is the cup activity. So we're going to use TinkerCAD to create a cup. We're going to start out by using this half sphere. We're going to start out by using this half sphere. We're going to drag it over, drop it. We're going to go to the front view. We're going to rotate this so that the flat side is facing upwards. Alright, now we're going to use this, go back to here, and we're going to resize this so that it is 50 by 50. Okay, 50. Alright, and we're going to go to the front again, make sure we get the height. Going to be 10. And go here, and this is going to be 50. Okay, now we are going to move our work plane to this flat surface right here, and then from there we're going to create a cylinder. So the orange cylinder right here, I'll place it here. Now we're going to hold shift and click, select both shapes. We're going to align it. I'm going to align it at the midpoint. Perfect. And now we want to resize. We want to resize this to 50 by 50. Oh, and that didn't quite align, so we're going to align it again. Perfect. And this time we're going to go to the front and make sure that the height here is 50 as well. Okay, so now that we've resized this, it's starting to look a little bit more like a cup. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to group these two together. Perfect. Now on the same work plane, we are going to create another cylinder. So we're going to drag and drop. However, this time we're going to resize it out here. We're going to make it a little bit smaller. So we're going to do it 40. We're going to do 40 instead of 50 by 50. However, we still want the height to be 50. And what we're going to do here is we learned from the previous tutorials that this doesn't have to be a solid shape. This can be a hole. So we're going to set that up as a hole. We're going to place it there. Actually, we're going to leave it right here so we can select it. And I'm going to select that, and we're going to align the two on the midpoints right here. Perfect. Now, we also learned from that tutorial that the hole is not complete until you select it and group it together. And you can see that now that we've grouped these together, there's a hole in the middle, just like a cup. Now, the only thing that's missing from our cup is going to be a handle. So what we're going to do for that is we're going to find the donut slice. So we're going to use this right here. I'm going to bring that on. We're going to rotate this again so that it's upright. So we're going to do that to 90 degrees. And then we're going to go from the top again. We're going to rotate this 90 degrees. Perfect. Now we're going to resize it. Okay, so this here is going to be about, we want this to be about 10. We do want this to be about 20. And then we want to go to the height. Make this just about 40. Okay, I paused the video for a little bit and I created my cup handle here. I'm not going to instruct you on how to do that one. That one could be a little bit of a challenge because you use the same tools that you use to make the hole here to cut this out. So figure it out on your own and ask someone for help if you're having trouble. Anyways, what we're going to continue doing is we're going to attach this together. So we want to align this, put it right up to the flat surface, and then we're going to shift, click, and align this at the midpoint. I'm going to double check the fitment. Maybe pull it back a little bit. And then try again. So basically just keep grouping it and aligning it until you think it's just about right. I think I've got it right there. So we're going to group those together. And that is a cup we've made. Let's reset the work plane. There we go. It's a pretty basic cup, but it gets the job done. So this is not a set tutorial. You don't have to follow the directions exactly, but the basic shape of it is there. So make sure you get that half sphere and then the 2 cylinders and then figure out something for a handle. Alright, and good luck.